Hey there, amazing viewers, and welcome back to the channel. I've got an absolute game changer for you today. In this video, we're diving deep into Law 23, Don't Be an Ostrich. Trust me, folks, this is a law that could potentially transform your life, your career, and even your relationships. So, hang tight, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to avoid the trap of being an ostrich. But first, we've got to talk about the Titanic. Yes, you heard me right, the Titanic. Stick around to find out what this tragedy can teach us about the ostrich effect. So imagine this, the Titanic, the unsinkable ship, struck an iceberg. And what happened next? Some passengers were as calm as if they were in a drawing room, playing cards, and even playing the violin. Others completely ignored the impending disaster, like they thought they'd go back to bed. And then there were those who refused to get on lifeboats, choosing to take their chances. It's hard to fathom, right? But it's a classic example of the ostrich effect, where we avoid uncomfortable truths or situations. The ostrich effect is not just limited to the Titanic, it's something we all do in our lives. When faced with discomfort, we tend to bury our heads in the sand. Whether it's avoiding checking our bank account after overspending or putting off difficult conversations, we're all guilty of behaving like ostriches. It's a universal human tendency. Here's a shocking stat for you. Indebted British people are losing £55 million every month by not confronting their financial issues. Investors tend to check their portfolios when the markets are doing well, but look away when things get tough. Even in matters of health, we delay going to the doctor because we'd rather not hear bad news. It's clear that the ostrich effect can hit us hard. Now, let's talk about how this impacts the business world. A study found that 23% of CEOs were fired for denying reality. In business, those who can't face uncomfortable truths often lead their companies to failure. Remember Kodak, Nokia, Blockbuster, and the others? They're prime examples of the ostrich effect in action. So how do we avoid becoming an ostrich? The first step is to pause and acknowledge that something's not right. It's vital to recognize when discomfort creeps in. Next, review yourself, inspect your feelings, behaviors, and emotions. Understand what's misaligned and why. But remember, you may need help to accurately diagnose yourself. Then, speak your truth. Share your findings without blame, taking personal responsibility. This is where wrong conversations turn into the right ones. Too often, we avoid speaking about the emotions that grip us, and that's what drives the ostrich effect. Finally, seek the truth. Listen with an open mind and an intention to understand, not to win an argument. It's not easy, but it's crucial to overcome discomfort and uncover the truth. So, there you have it. Law 23, Don't Be an Ostrich. Avoiding uncomfortable truths and difficult conversations is unhelpful, both in business and personal relationships. If you want long-term success, you have to get better at accepting uncomfortable truths as fast as possible. Refusing to accept them means choosing an uncomfortable future. And that's a wrap, folks. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing content. Remember, in your career, relationships, and life, don't be an ostrich. Confront those uncomfortable truths, and you'll be on your way to success. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.